So, I'll go ahead and run this here again and run you through this. Just show you the breakdown of how it works. I'm just going to say this. You can't create, the way I had it set up, you can't create usernames of the identical usernames to prevent any type of complications. If you do, it'll say the username's already taken. So, user's already created. So, I can create user 1 if I wanted to. Here we go. But, let's log in as an admin. Admin and admin. Just show you here that you can create. It's going to show you all your theaters and stuff here first. You can filter it, so if you click on NBC, it'll filter based on that, CBS, all that stuff. So if I want to create a new theater, let's just say AMC. Here, make something up here. We'll say we'll give it 10 rows by, I guess we could do 5, yeah. We'll just say it's give 50 seats total. So we'll create a new theater. It'll say new theater created. It should auto-populate. Yes, it does. Alright. And then when you click on that, it'll show there's no events. We can click new event and say, for instance, it's going to be Star Wars showing. And use this to say it's going to be on the 11th. And I can pick the time I want to pick that. So, let's go down here. This. And we can choose if we want to be a matinee or a regular. Now, I didn't know if you wanted to have us detected by time or so forth, but I had it selected here just in case you wanted it this way. I mean, just from that standpoint to keep it simple. So we'll create an event, 15 bucks. It will say commit. It will automatically update and show you type. Which I'll probably get rid of this when I submit it. You don't really need to see the type, I guess. I mean, yeah, that's fine. We use ones and zeros. I should have did a different form of normalization on it, but yeah. Okay, we can log back out, and I can go log in as a user now. I can show you that it's all there, populated. It's a total different form. So I can click on that. Star Wars. I will put the price in there for you. I think it was mentioned in there in the things. I'm going through the checklist. Let's see here. I was going through the checklist. I think you have it mentioned in here. I've highlighted everything I've pretty much gone through, so I know if the receipts does not equal, I've already got done, so I can check mark that off. But yeah, I will make sure it has pricing in there just to be on the safe side. So I'll add that in there. As for this, let's just create 3 main. And we're going to create some false data here. It'll actually, like, if you don't put in the proper stuff, it'll actually, I kind of like this, I made it turn red, and it will validate it. So it'll actually make sure you have to put everything in too. So it's got two forms. It'll kind of, the GUI will kind of turn red if you don't put accurate information, and then also detect if you try to request the tickets without the proper information. So just put some random data. Let's get 10 tickets. All right. So I put a max. I think it says you can't get more than 20, I think it was. So if I put 20 in, it will go back down to 20. Yeah, see. Alright, so we'll just get 10 for now. And I will be a preferred customer. We'll go ahead. And as I said, it was 5 across and 10 down. So that's 50 seats. And as we click, it should tell me what my discount is as a preferred member. I believe I get 15% or 10%. I forget what it was. I have to look through the thing again. It should be in there. So, yeah. And it shows you how many seats you have left here. Show you what your total is. Now, I could have made this nicer. I guess I could have made this green or something, but so say I want to buy these top 5 rows, and then I got 10. So just to show you that it does work. So that's 10 total. I can reset. It'll clear it out. That does work. All right. So I'm done finishing. I'll click finished. It will submit that, and then I can check out, or I can reset. Reset would reset everything, so I'm not going to do that. But if I check out, it's going to give me my summary, say order is confirmed, and you can see it here. If I click on view seating, it will actually show you those ones that I just purchased, or the ones previously. So if I was to reset and go back in, it would still have those in there. It's actually in the database. So if it shows you my discount, and all this is, I took this all out of the just from what I read on this, from all these discounts. So these should be accurate. If I miss something, please do tell me. I don't mind fixing it. But as for my coherency, I believe I got everything according to what was mapped in here. So, alright. So here's this, and I'm going to show you that that's actually in the database and not stored anywhere. So the order I just did, right there, Mike Wilson, Maine, so it's actually right there in the database. So yes, and events, Star Wars, well it's Star Wars, plural, but yeah, so everything is saved in the database, so that's good. So view seating works. I can go back to exit, resets it, lets me, if I want to add more seats, I can just say something like, this actually makes you have to enter a number in first. It does go through 2 different classes. I don't know why we couldn't have just done one and had it determine if it was preferred, but that's mine. Yeah, I'll just shut my mouth. So anyways, I'll get 5 more and just show you. I think we did preferred last time, we did not preferred, so I'll show you this here. So it still shows you the tickets that I had previously, and so I can go back in here, and then once I'm done selecting and none left, it won't let me do anything. I can look, I can reset it, and it only resets mine. So if I want to fill this up, doom and doom, check that. So that should all be currently. Do that, check out, yep, view my seating, and blah blah. So I think everything's covered. Took me a lot longer than I thought it would, but yeah, if there's any questions or anything like that, let me know. I will add pricing and make sure I check everything else before I submit it, but that should be it. Thank you for being a good teacher, and I guess I look forward to seeing you in the future.